Hi, this is Alex and I'm back with another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks. In this series, we cover some frequently asked questions that we get from our customers from around the region. This week, we've got a question from Vietnam asking, how do you achieve color consistency when printing wide format jobs? I think this is a very important question and it's a challenge faced by most commercial printers. We had previously discussed how our cut sheet printers are able to do automatic calibration to ensure color consistency. So today, we're going to look at how we handle this issue with our wide format inkjet printers. When looking at color consistency, or in this case, inconsistency, the main culprit is usually environmental factors. No matter which printer you're using, changes in temperature or humidity have an impact on color output. We've got our RICOH Pro L5160 wide format inkjet printer connected to ColorGate production server, which comes with media device synchronization. What this does is that it recalibrates a printer's color output, bringing it back to a reference state to make sure that print results are consistent. Let's take a look at how it works. In ColorGate production server, we will select media device synchronization, which can be found under options. We select the relevant media as well as the resolution and then click on measure. Confirm the measurement device and then head over to evaluation target. We shall first print out the profiling target and then measure the output using a spectrophotometer. When the measurements are done, we are then presented with an evaluation of the results. We will then create a media sync profile to restore color accuracy. Using this media sync profile, we then print the profiling target again and measure the output for comparison. From the evaluation, we can see that there's an 81% improvement from the previous printout. This is a great result, and we shall keep this synchronized profile and use it for our print jobs. Certain environmental factors are hard to control, so it's a good thing that we have media device synchronization to help us achieve color consistency. We recommend running this periodically so that you can be sure that you're always producing the best possible prints. ColorGate is packed with many other useful features and we'll be covering them in future episodes. Hopefully this answers today's question. Well, that's all for today. As usual, remember to subscribe and I'll see you next time.